Hi everyone, I am Muhammad Arif Alam from Near Advantage Technology Private Limited. I am talking about cyber security and cloud security. First of all, cyber security. What is cyber security? Cyber security is the protection of internet connected systems such as hardware, software, and data from the cyber threat. The practice is used by indivisible enterprises to protect against unauthorized access to data center and other computerized systems. And protect your online data from cyber attacks, you need to call cybersecurity expert. The process of cybersecurity is to help you with protecting and recovering network devices and programs from any kind of cyber attack. With increasing exposure to the internet, not just for business data, but personal data is also at a risk of being manipulated. Next. Types of cybersecurity threat. Cybersecurity threat is a malicious and deliberate attack by an invisible or organization's to gain unauthorized access to another invisible or organization's network, damage, disrupt, or steal IT assets, computer network, intellectual property, or any other form of sensitive data. There are four types of cybersecurity threat. First, malware. Malware means malicious software, one of the most common cyber threats. Malware is a software that a cybercriminal or hacker has created to disrupt or damage a legitimate user's computer. Second, virus, a self-replicating program that attaches itself to clean file and spread throughout a computer system, infecting files with malicious code. Third, spyware, a program that secretly records what a user does so that cybercriminal can make use of the information. For example, spyware cloud capture credit card detail. Fourth, ransomware, malware which lockdowns users' file and data with the threat of erasing it unless a ransom is paid. Next. Why is cybersecurity needed in today's world? Cybersecurity is important because it protects all categories of data from theft and damage. This includes sensitive data, personally identifiable information, protected health information, personal information, intellectual property data, and governmental and industries information system. Cybercrime is one of the rapidly increased crime hitting the world today. It is largely driven due to the increased exposure of information on the internet via cloud service network and device managing. The infrastructure can be distributed of a wide scale. Next. What is cloud security? Cloud security is the set of strategy and practice for protecting an application that are hosted in the cloud. Like cybersecurity, cloud security is a very broad area and it is never possible to prevent every variety of attack. However, a well-designed cloud security strategy vastly reduces the risk of cyber attack. Next. How cloud security works? Cloud computing operates in three main environments. First, public cloud. Public cloud services are hosted by CSPs. This include software as a service, SaaS platform as a service PaaS, and infrastructure as a service SaaS. Second, private cloud. Private cloud are hosted by or for a single organization. Third, hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud include a mix of public cloud and private cloud. Next. Cloud computing scope and future. Cloud computing is a delivery of IT resource via the internet. The main feature of cloud computing which make it stand out from the rest is pay-as-you-go pricing. Nowadays, cloud computing is being used by organizations of every type. Firms are using this technology for various use cases like data backup, email, big data analytics, etc. And cloud computing is one of the most talked about IT trend today. This is because of the fact that cloud computing has helped several enterprises to save money while adding to the convenience of the users. Next. These are all companies are partnership of Near Advantage Technology Private Limited. There are some company provide cybersecurity and cloud security. First, Checkpoint, FirstPoint, Broadcom, Fortinet, Infoblox, Sophos, Aruba, Trend Micro, Red Hat. These are companies provide cybersecurity and cloud security. If you need cybersecurity and cloud security and more information or any solution for cybersecurity and cloud security and any issue, then contact our company Needvantage Technology Private Limited. These are our contact numbers.